Hello everyone, today let's see what's the problem with this JBL Go3 speaker, Bluetooth speaker, wireless speaker. It's not powering on whenever press and hold. It does not switch on, nor when I connect the charger, there is the light, charging light or anything glows. Here you see when I connect it to, it's charging, but see, but when I connect to the Go3, there is no response. So let's disassemble and check it. Take a picture. Now, remove the screws. This way. Just take it out. See that will not damage this because upper diaphragm or the passive upper diaphragm. Now remove these screws. This way. As you can see, the battery has swollen. It bulge. I think it is the problem with battery itself. So let me check the voltage of the battery. You see, last two terminals, it's 0. Battery voltage is 0. That is the reason it's not switching on. Black and red. So now what we'll do is we'll replace the battery as it is swollen. If in your case if the battery is not swollen, what you can do is you just connect 5 or less than 5 volts, 4 volts, around 4 volts to this positive, red positive and black negative terminals, and see that the battery will be boosted up to 3.7 volts, 3.6 or 3.7 volts. Once it gets 3.5 volts, then you can stop charging it externally and connect it to the woofer and then continue charging it through the Type-C cable. So now as the battery is swollen, I'll replace the battery. So for replacing the battery, we need to first remove this shielding. Don't throw it, we require it. Now you can just pull the battery in this way. If you have isopropylene alcohol, you can just use that one. It should be easier. Actually this battery rating is 3.7 volts, 750 milliamps, and I have a battery here. This one, it's 3.7, 1800 milliamps. So just see that if this battery fits properly. It is a little bit thicker, so the capacity is also more than this battery, as you can see, but it does work. So I'll use this one. But Here it has 3 terminals, but this battery, the original battery, Go3 battery, has 4 terminals. So what I'll do is, I'll just take out the PCB from this battery and connect it to this. Just remember that you can try this method whenever any electronic device you are not getting a same value battery. You can just try this. Removing this sticker is a bit tricky. Just now. Here you see, this is B plus positive and this is negative. So now with this battery, now for this, check which is plus and which is minus. Here it is written, this side it is plus and this side it is minus. So first of all, we will desolder it. If you want, you can check the polarity as well. Common plus. So now this red is positive and negative. This one is positive, this is negative. So this is the PCB we are using, so it should be fixed in this way. So as you can see here, I need to cut this. Here we go. Now it's good. Plus and minus. So let's check the voltage here. See, it's 3.8 volts. I'll take a glue of this kind. Connected it. So let's check if it's turning on. It's on. Turn it off. Okay, now let me check for the charging. The voltage here. It's charging it is charging. And I connect the charger. It is okay, it's charging. Now take the battery, fix it in this way. First bottom, then pull this hook here and take the screws. This way. It's good. Now As for the charging indicator, when you connect the charger, battery is charging but the indicator is not glowing. So that one I will just check it, and when I get the solution I'll come back with another video later. So now it's off. So hope this video is going to be helpful for you in knowing how to replace the battery of your JBL Go3 Bluetooth speaker. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.